Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming.
Welcome to vlog number 1 on
Yardie TV.
And
Eat that.
yeah, natural aerodynamics thing, vlog number 1. It's the birthday celebration, seafood style,
Here you know.
by the DJ Otis. Chef DJ Otis. Guys, if y'all from Jamaica, if y'all from Jamaica, you already know what time it is when it's steamed fish time, roast fish time, not even steamed fish. So we have one here packaged already.
Yeah,
and this is the prep process.
You put little butter.
Guys,
Butter.
if you all are on a healthy run or a health journey, this is not for you. Because the butter turn up.
The butter has turned.
So you make a bed for the fish and then you lay some callaloo and okras on top of the bed.
With a whole lot of spice.
This
and
is just to
seasoning.
add some cushion to the bed. You don't want to lie down on a hard bed.
And then you put the snappers that you have
And
gutted
now, for the arrival of the
that
big dog. And
El
the big
Snapper.
fish.
You think a El Chapo, but a
Yeah,
El Snapper.
look at this snapper fish, guys. Ooh la la.
Then you must snapper fish and have snapper chicken.
And this is for the birthday celebration for the London Dada Diane in the house.
Pepper.
What is this?
Diane sorry for you.
What's your pepper? Oh, brother Watson, I hope it's not too pepper.
No, that pepper not hot.
Yes, I'm not gonna eat it.
That pepper.
You?
The one who see that one
You're
there.
here. I know that, brother Watson. Why you make it so peppery?
The one who see that one the more I hear it. So you are calm now. I'll get you later.
Hey! The oven start turn off, you know. Look what's about to be unveiled. The roast fish done roast. If this ever burn me down, trust me. Woo, woo. Lord. Hey, I need help. I'm serious, sir. Roast fish tonight. Hey, roast fish tonight. And there's many more where that comes from. Alright, so we'll deal with the matter proper and watch them. Half of it gone already. And the other half is about to get slaughtered. Yes. Oh, you do? Papa. Yeah, the papa. The birthday girl over there. I eat like she didn't. Always. Yeah. Wow.
No fish, no bone, left
No, sir.
chocolate.
Everybody belly full, so it's on to the delicacies. What are delicacies?
Dessert.
The delicacies. The main event. The birthday cake. Yeah. What kind of birthday cake was this again?
Yeah.
Hazelnut, something.
Chocolate.
And we have this beautiful edible arrangement. Yeah.
And
We have this nice
Magic.
wine, white wine, pink wine,
Pineapple ginger juice.
rosé.
Pineapple
Yeah.
ginger juice.
Oh guys, check out my arrangement that I made myself. My fall arrangement. Yeah.
Halloween.
With real pumpkins.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, we
It's
go.
going? It's not going.
Alcohol.
And the popping of the
In that school. Whoa.
the popping of the wine. Alright.
In that school, what you can.
One time for the birthday girl. Hey, for the birthday girl. Hey, 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 Alright, time for to cut the cake now. After 2, 1, 2, 1 3/4, 1 and 1.5 is 1.5 still. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Ray.
That's ice cream.
We wish. It's a hazelnut cake.
the turnstile, my girl.
Days be white. I'm dreaming of a happy birthday, just like the one I used to know. May your birthday be merry and bright. Be